first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Cadcomlab and make your AutoCAD 2D 3Ds max dreams come true. Download the app now.
फिर होस्पोस हो जाती है, समझ में नहीं आता। इसीलिए आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट में इसीलिए कॉल आउट्स को यूज़ करा गया है, डिटेल कॉल आउट को यूज़ करा जाता है ताकि आप उनको मार्क करके अलग सेपरेटली शो करा सकें सिस्टमेटिक वे। सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिकल पार्ट। फर्स्ट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रिकल plan which we design in architecture part. Electrical plan. Second one is called electrical elevation, and electrical elevation we design in interior part. So the point is, what is the process to design this drawing? Electrical plan. Electrical plan also is called SLD. SLD means single line diagram. Electrical plan is also called SLD. SLD means electrical single line diagram. So for electrical plan, for electrical detail for our project, it's very important that we should have an electrical legend for working on this drawing. In electrical legend, there are so many types of symbols that we design, and every symbol is on its standard. Example, this symbol is representing the ceiling fan. Second, this one is ceiling light. This symbol is bracket light. And we decide the height as per structure details. Tube light, LCD socket, standard height is 4 feet 6 inches. LCD switch 2 feet 3 inches. 5 ampere plug point 2 feet 3 inches. 15 ampere power point 2 feet 3 inches. These are all standards that we can follow in our project. Split AC socket, switch board, fan regulator. So these are all symbols for electrical drawings. But also we can customize every symbol on the basis of my drawings. We can customize and design every symbol. Also we can change the switchboard symbols. Also we can design two-way switch and 5 ampere plug point also. This symbol is called exhaust fan. 5 ampere plug point for kitchen that we can use on 3 feet height. 15 ampere power point for kitchen also we can use on 3 feet standard height. So this table is very important for electrical drawing. Inch sheet, serial number, symbols, descriptions, and height from floor level. Complete detail of the electrical symbol should be mentioned in legend and also in table. We mention every switchboard, electrical symbols on the basis of requirement. This symbol means wall light, plug point, power point, two-way switch for washroom, that we can control the light from the washroom and also from the bedroom. So it's called a two-way switch. Switchboard, standard height and location, everything we design on the basis of requirement and standards. We connect all lines, we connect all objects from the switchboard with arc tool. Mostly we use a 3-point arc in architecture part, in electrical part. Mostly we use 3-point arc. So we can connect every model with switchboard. Like we can control the wall light with switchboard. So we will represent this part with 3-point, first, second and third. Arc color we will change, and also we will put this object on dotted line with 0.5 spacing. So these lines, shapes, arc is representing the wire. From this object we can control every items. We can control the fan from this switchboard. So we are representing with arc. Also we can use S-spline. Mostly designers used S-spline in his project, but the arc is compulsory. It's a standard symbol that is used for wiring. One more thing is very important for electrical part. Example, we should know the complete detail of the electrical with ampere. We should know very well that what is the difference between the 16 ampere socket and the 10 ampere socket. This socket we will mention in every areas. And the second point, which types of ampere we can use. So there are different types of ampere, but some are basics and standards. Example, regarding the 250 watt 16 ampere socket, as the name suggests, it is suitable for appliances with the maximum rated current of 16 ampere and the maximum rated power is 3500 watt. 16 ampere. Also there is a 250 watt 10 ampere socket for appliances with a maximum rated current of 10 ampere and the maximum rated power of 2200 watt. In our daily life, these household appliances such as washing machines, electric water heaters, microwave ovens, tube, washing machines, etc. all need to use a 16 ampere socket. So on the basis of this standard, we will design an electrical part. These home appliances have special sockets such as cooker, switch. There are so many types of electrical appliances. Rice cooker socket and oven switch socket. The more common computer, television, refrigerator in the home can use a 6 ampere socket. The PC control power outlet use a 6 ampere socket. So these are standards, very important. Example, mixer grinder. A mixer grinder uses 5 ampere only. Consider where you will be using the appliances most frequently and locate the electrical point accordingly. Hand mixer also uses 5 ampere to 6 ampere. Hub. Standard hub require a 5 ampere power. And with heating coils it requires 15 ampere power. Chimney, 5 ampere socket. Height that we can use at the placed height of 7 feet is required for the chimney. Microwave and OTG, 15 ampere socket. RO, 6 ampere. Refrigerator, 5 ampere, 16 ampere. So these are standards we should know very well before going to project on electrical part. Hot plate, coffee maker. So on the basis of all of these details, we mention every symbol of the electrical in our project. So what is the process? So first of all, we will make a copy of the floor plan, and also we will delete all extra objects like center line, section lines, and outer dimension, inner dimensions also. So we will copy every symbol from the table. Example, this one is bedroom. So in bedroom we will mention a fan and switchboard. So first we will draw a midline of the bedroom, then we will make a copy of this object and place in the center of the area. Second requirement is AC. Same process. We will make a copy of this part and we will place we will copy all object, like this one is AC, wall light. We placed 4 wall light on every single wall. So the washroom is connected from the bedroom, so also there is a need of two-way switch, telephone point, depending on the requirement. So this symbol is means 5 ampere plug point for bedside table. Standard height we can use 2 feet 3 inches to 2 feet 6 inches. 5 ampere plug point.
Sir, in market they are using same Vert, sir.
Same size. Die feet is a standard that we mostly use in our site.
Okay.
15 ampere power point, 2 feet 3 inches. So we will make a copy all of the object from our drawing. So this one is LCD unit. So we will also